Most miter saws you'll find online are overpriced junk built to fail within months. Pick wrong and you're out $200 and stuck with a dud for years. Ever feel overwhelmed by the options and specs when you just need clean, accurate cuts? Relax, this video breaks down the top picks and helps you choose confidently. Today, I'm going to be going over the best miter saw that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the SKIL MS6305-00. From the moment you unbox it, the compact footprint and user-friendly controls signal a design aimed at both DIYers and professional installers. For tight spaces and quick project turns, this saw promises portability without sacrificing sturdiness or accuracy on everyday tasks. Targeting woodworkers who routinely switch between base molding and crown molding, it strikes a balance between capability, price, and practical convenience. The dual bevel sliding mechanism rides on robust rails with a tall fence, supporting vertical alignment for precise long bevel cuts. The powerful 15-amp motor drives the blade at up to 4,800 RPM, delivering robust performance across hardwoods and softwoods. The LED shadow line lighted guide projects a precise cut line without relying on conventional lasers, reducing glare and misalignment during operation. It cuts up to 2x12 at 90 degrees and 2x8 at 45 degrees, enabling versatile framing tasks. Fortify with 11 positive stops covering common angles plus up to 50 degrees to left and right for precise repeat cuts. The cam miter lock knob ensures repeatable accuracy and easy adjustment without tools, a small feature with meaningful impact on workflow. On real-world tests, the saw maintains steady performance across pine, cedar, and oak, delivering clean crosscuts with minimal fiber tear. The built-in carrying handle and lightweight frame enhance portability, while the tall fences facilitate vertical nesting of molding materials. Compared with the DEWALT DWS780, this SKIL model matches depth and capacity while offering lighter weight and friendlier price. The pros include durable construction, large cutting capacity, and LED shadow line precision. The cons include heavier weight than some compact models and a price that may stretch tighter budgets. At number 4, we have the DEWALT DWS780. This professional-grade miter saw targets cabinet makers, trim carpenters, and builders who demand precision, durability, and efficient workflow on every project. From its rugged materials to the solid rails, the construction communicates long-term reliability even under tough site conditions. The footprint blends a compact profile with tall fences that support crown and base molding while leaving room to maneuver in tight spaces. Its powertrain includes a 1,100-watt motor capable of up to 3,800 RPM for steady performance. The integrated cutline blade positioning system delivers alignment cues without blade height recalibration when swapping blades, saving setup time. XPS LED shadow line technology projects a precise blade shadow onto the work surface, making alignment intuitive and repeatable. The dust collection system is designed to capture over 75% of generated dust, keeping the work area cleaner during lengthy cuts. Tall sliding fences support crown molding up to 7.5 inches and base molding up to 6 3/4 inches. Bevel and miter ranges provide impressive flexibility with left and right bevels from 0 to 49 degrees and generous miter capacity. Bevel and miters extend to 60 degrees right and 50 degrees left, with 10 detents stops and a cam lock miter button. Compared to the Bosch GCM12SD, the DWS780 delivers superior dust control and a sharper XPS alignment for more consistent cut results. The pros include sturdy build, excellent dust collection, and accurate XPS shadow line. The cons include higher price and heavier weight. At number 3, we have the SEESII compound miter saw, a compact power tool designed for precise framing, trim, and cabinetry tasks. From the moment you lift it, the 8-inch compact footprint signals portability without compromising cutting capacity for everyday projects. Its lightweight design plus a compact profile makes it ideal for both on-site and home shop use during rapid project cycles. Safety features include tilt protection to prevent tip-overs and dual switches on the handle, while the lightweight design enhances portability. With a robust chassis and clear scale markings, the miter saw offers dependable alignment for precise crosscuts on repetitive tasks. The dual safety switches on the handle require deliberate two-handed action, preventing accidental starts during bevel and miter operations. Compact footprint and sturdy chassis translate into stable operation across repeated cuts, minimizing vibration and improving repeatability during long sessions. Equipped with a robust 4,900 RPM motor, it cuts hardwoods and thick stock with ease in real-world sessions. Laser guide projection delivers a visible cut line across the workpiece, enabling consistent, accurate repeats for framing, trim, and cabinetry. Precision in the miter system allows exact adjustments for framing and trim, ensuring straight joints and consistent results across multiple workpieces. During practical use, the dust bag and included clamps maximized efficiency, keeping work surfaces cleaner and securing stock for accurate repeat cuts. Bevel range from 0 to 45 degrees enables flush finishing against walls, enhancing crown molding projects and creative trim opportunities. Overall, the SEESII miter saw delivers dependable performance that appeals to DIYers and professional carpenters seeking consistent accuracy and reliable operation. When stacked against the rival DEWALT DWS780, the SEESII offers a more compact footprint and integrated features at lower price. The pros include compact size with portable ergonomics, integrated laser guide for precise alignment, and excellent value for money compared to premium rivals. The cons include 8-inch cutting capacity that limits deep cuts and a corded design that reduces portability in remote sites. At number 2, we have the Metabo C10FCG2. From the moment you lift it, a premium brushed aluminum shell communicates durability and a design intent built for daily professional use. It weighs 24 pounds, which makes it notably portable on a crowded job site without sacrificing stability. A 15-amp motor powers clean cuts with steady speed, delivering consistent results across a wide range of materials. Its miter range spans left and right from 0 to 52 degrees, while the bevel tilts 0 to 45 degrees. The large 10-inch table gives generous material support, and the vise clamping system ensures repeatable, precise cuts with every pass. The Zac Cut Shadow line aligns cuts precisely, reducing the need for constant measuring and allowing faster setup on busy job sites. During practical testing, the saw produced smooth, accurate rips and crosscuts with minimal blade deflection under typical power tool loads. In direct comparison with the earlier generation Metabo HPT model, the current version prioritizes portability while maintaining power and precision. The pros include powerful 15-amp motor with smooth operation, lightweight construction for easy transport, and extensive bevel and miter range. The cons include a higher price point than entry-level models and a steeper learning curve for beginners. Build quality feels premium with a robust frame and precise alignment features that sustain reliable use over time. Warranty and service strength speaks to confidence in the 5-year Metabo HPT coverage and comprehensive global support network. Setup and alignment become straightforward thanks to the improved miter scale and clear indicators. Overall, this Metabo HPT model delivers portability, solid accuracy, and a credible warranty, making it a strong mid-range pick. At number 1, we have the SKIL MS6305-00. From the moment you unpack it, this miter saw clearly targets carpenters and home workshop enthusiasts seeking accurate, dependable crosscuts. Its dual bevel supports left and right tilts at 48 and 45 degrees plus 0 degrees for consistent mitering. Its construction uses a brushed aluminum shell that communicates a premium vibe while supporting long-term use under demanding workshop conditions. The integrated carrying handle and balanced weight distribution facilitate easy lifting, transport, and maneuvering during dense project days. The LED shadow line projects a bright alignment guide across the saw path, improving cut accuracy without relying on a traditional laser. Its cutting capacity delivers 2 by 12 inches at 90 degrees and 2 by 8 inches at 45 degrees. Cross and miter options cover wide angles with 11 positive stops supporting commonly used positions for repeatable trims. A cam miter lock knob ensures repeatable accuracy and quick adjustments when switching between frequent project angles efficiently. Tall sliding fences assist vertically nesting molding like base and crown up to generous dimensions when oriented for vertical support. The built-in safety trigger and horizontal grip enhance comfort for left or right-handed operators during lengthy cutting sessions. In practical tests, it maintains stable RPM around identical speed under load, delivering clean crosscuts without noticeable deflection or burn marks. The slider action remains smooth with minimal play across the travel range, enabling repeatable miter cuts for cabinet along with trim work. Compared with the DEWALT miter saw, the SKIL model offers similar capacity while staying notably lighter and easier to maneuver. The pros include solid build, excellent visibility, and affordable price for a sliding miter saw in this class. The cons include higher price and limited angle options compared to premium 12-inch rivals.